Welcome to the AI Integrated Digital Marketing course. In today's digital age, marketing has transformed into a dynamic field where creativity meets technology. This course will immerse you into the exciting world of digital marketing enhanced by artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how businesses connect with customers. It's not just about algorithms, it's about understanding behaviors, predicting trends, and personalizing experiences. Throughout this course, we'll explore how AI is reshaping every aspect of marketing, from understanding consumer preferences to automating repetitive tasks and optimizing marketing strategies. You'll gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge AI tools used by top marketers worldwide. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to analyze data, create compelling content, and engage with customers in real time. But it's not just theory. You'll learn from industry experts, see real-world case studies, and dive into practical projects that simulate today's marketing challenges. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the skills to design AI-driven marketing campaigns, optimize customer journeys, and stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Whether you're new to marketing or a seasoned professional, this course offers a pathway to enhance your career prospects. Join us on this journey into the future of marketing. Subscribe us and press bell icon. Make sure to get this free course and unlock the potential of AI in digital marketing.